Alright you guys, so we're just gonna jump right into this tutorial because I don't want to be looking too crazy for too long on this camera, okay? So I just want to walk you through the process of what I did last night. What I did was I took my comb, I went right here in the middle, did a straight part, and then as far as I can pretty much go back and see, from there I just created my part. And I was like, okay, you know, you can't see that far back anymore, just go ahead and do it right here. And it ended up right behind my ear, right? So that's fine because I'm gonna do a half up, half down. Before that, you guys, of course, I washed and blow dried my hair, right? Okay, then I did the parting, blah, blah, blah. All right, and then what I did was put this part up, and then I went ahead and put this part in a bun in the back. And then what I did was I braided, like I took sections of the top part and I did braids. And what I did was I used some Eco Styler for my braids. So I just lightly rubbed it on the braids. And then I love this stuff, you guys, the Shine and Jam. I went ahead and put that at the ends because my ends are like really blunt and thick. So I did that to kind of smooth them out. Put rubber bands on the end, put them all in a bun. So I went ahead and purchased this quick weave outre hair. It says Style Peruvian, color 1B, save up to 400. I don't know if I'm gonna put anything on it, but this is the pack. I got it from Amazon. I will have the link in the description box, you guys. So what I'm really trying to do is practice more protective styles on my hair because of course I don't put heat on it. And a lot of times I just be stuck like what to do. Like I get tired of wearing braids and I get tired of wearing ponytails and I just be like, what to do? Okay, so I want to try something quick and easy. Okay, you guys, so what I'm gonna do is take these braids out at the top, and I hope that my hair kind of got a little wave to it because normally, like if I was doing this style in the past or something, or if I would have tried it in the past, because I've never done this, I probably would have straightened my hair and then I could have just put like a crimp to it and then I would have had the crimps. But since I don't do that no more, we gotta be creative. We gotta figure out ways to like get the wave and the texture. So see, this is what they look like. So y'all, I'm gonna undo these and show you what it looks like. All right, you guys, so I'm back. This is what it's looking like at the top. Okay, again, I have not done this before, but we're gonna get it. Okay, so it has like a little wave to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. You kind of see it up in here. Again, my hair isn't straight, so of course it's not the greatest Peruvian wave, honey, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, and then in the back I went ahead and put 4 plaits in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and just bring 2 across, and y'all don't need to see what it looks like in the back. The parts, y'all, it probably look like the Wild Wild West, okay? But we're just gonna take these 2 pieces. Let me scoot back some. We're gonna take pieces and we're just gonna cross them. And then I'm just gonna bobby pin these down in the back so it's not in the way. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up together, you guys. See what it looks like. I've actually never purchased a half wig, but I know a lot of people who do. So I'm lying, I don't know if I have a wig. You be talking. Okay. All right, so this is the texture of the Peruvian wave hair right here. It does have some combs in here. I hope you guys can see it. It has some combs at the top and at the bottom, I guess where the tag is considered the bottom. And then of course it has some adjustable straps here. So from my understanding with the half wig, it's literally a half wig, you guys. So it's gonna go here and it's gonna be giving this situation here. Now the goal is to finesse this hair with this hair and then this hair at the top. Okay, so just making sure it's comfortable and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I'll do some voiceover if there needs to be, And yeah, we're gonna get into it. All right, so first things first, you definitely need to measure the wig for your head to make sure it fits. It will be a lot of adjusting, going back and forth. I end up tightening it all the way to the middle, and I don't show you guys, but later I end up having to adjust it even more. So the straps were kind of crossing each other because this wig was pretty big for my head. As you can see there, I end up adjusting it, and yeah, I end up going back, y'all, because it would, I don't know if I got a little head, or maybe like if the wig was up further and I didn't have so much leave out at the top, it would, you know, fit different or whatever, but I end up having to tighten some more. So you guys, the first thing I like to do is just kind of get some gel and lightly, you know, put it in my hair, and then I go ahead and brush it in, and then later I go back in more with the Shine and Jam. But I like to just create like a nice little layer. Don't want my hair to be like too wet or anything like that. I like to just sketch out my baby hair, so I'll go ahead and do that because I don't want it to pull back, y'all. I gotta make sure I have my baby hairs popping, okay, at all times in any situation with every hairstyle, okay. I have to have my baby hairs out, y'all. Like when they get too long, like the curly ends by my ear, y'all, I even go in and like cut the hair to make sure I keep the baby hair there. Yes, it's that serious. I does that. From here, you guys, it's really just a lot of back and forth, making sure your ponytail at the top is slicked down and your baby hairs are right if you choose to wear baby hair. Here, you guys, I actually have some twist ties from Target, you guys. I love these. They are super thick and super strong, and these are my favorite. I always use them, especially because the little ones, y'all, they be popping on me and breaking when I put my hair in a ponytail or anything, because my hair is so thick. So if y'all want these twisties, they are from Target, and I'll try to put that in the description box as well. Make sure y'all slick up the sides of the ponytail at the top. That's super important to make sure you get like a sleek look, especially, you know, you want the texture at the top to match as close as possible to the back. I use a mixture of the Shine and Jam. I love that on my hair. It really lays it down with the edge control. So now, you guys, we're just gonna put this in a bun to get it out the way, because now we're gonna work on the back of the hair. So of course, make sure when you put the back piece on, put your combs in at the top. If you can, put them in towards the nape of the neck. I had a little bit of trouble, especially because it was crossed over so much. But just try to put it in as much as possible so you feel secure. And the main thing, you guys, for this is just gonna be bobby pins, bobby pins, bobby pins. So I'm not gonna lie, I used a ton of bobby pins, you guys, at the top, on the side, at the bottom, everywhere. I had to make sure this thing was secure. Just make sure you put them in to where they don't irritate you or bother your scalp. All right, so now for the top, I put in a little bit of the Nairobi wrapping mousse, whatever it is. It'll be in the description box. I went ahead and put that on my hair just to kind of wet it and wave it up a little bit. And now I'm just doing a simple little top knot bun at the top. When I do tie it down, I do use a thinner twisty, because those thicker ones, they will show too much. Okay, so just to run over a few things again, you guys. Make sure the twisty doesn't show, so pull some hair down over it. Second thing, once you're done, make sure you secure it with some bobby pins, because you don't want like any of the edges or, you know, your hair to be just flying away, okay? So you want to make sure that top knot is secure. Also, tracks, you guys. You want to make sure that these tracks do not show. That is a no, okay? So what you need to do is try to separate the hair, and it should be fairly easy. Separate the hair and make sure that you cover up the tracks on the side as much as possible. At this point, it's on your head, so, you know, go ahead and separate it. I, again, like to use the mousse, And you know, if it feels like it's getting too unmanageable, just put a little bit of that in your hair and then separate it. The last thing, you guys, I am going to be showing how I refresh my hair in the second half of this video. Of course, you don't have to watch it, but I literally show you guys how I refresh it for the next day. And I show you guys how to wrap your top knot bun a little different. I thought of this afterwards and I was like, this really hides my hair, even though this way is fine as well. So you guys, if you're done, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you want to see the refresher, stay tuned. Now, I know you guys are like, hold on, wait a minute, sis. Come on, you have on the same outfit. Yes, you guys, I like to do my hair in my robe, okay? So this is just what it is the next day. But as you can peep, there's the glow on the face, okay, from my morning wash, okay, on this face, you guys. I literally slept with my hair tied up like this last night. So this is definitely a new day. Don't get it twisted, okay? Fresh out the shower. But yeah, you guys, super simple way to refresh the hair. I just thought it was super funny that I'm like, yo, I'm in the same outfit. But I got this robe from Target and it's amazing. So yeah.